guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got free Hot Wheels. Today we are going to open today. And you already know the drill. We have free cars today and we are going to open it. So basically these cars are kind of muscle cars except for this one. And we also got the track again. Hope this works. So we are going to open one of these cars. So the first one we're going to open is this 1970 Dodge Charger RT. Take a look at that. And it's from the Muscle Mayhay or something, you know. Honestly, it's I just found this in a dump bin like 4 months ago. I found this in a dump bin, so I bought it because I thought it looked cool. So we are gonna pop this baby open. Just take a look at it. Oh, I actually like this car. Here it is. Let's put him on the rotator. I really like the car. It looks super big. I love it. Little engine, and plus it's also a Hemi engine. It's also got that nice little white stripe and also that blue color, which I'm really digging, and those rims too. It looks really old-fashioned too. Looks nice. But right now we are gonna test this car on our track. But yeah, let's put him on the track. Hope this works. Oh! What? Huh? What happened? It just like went like, whoa! I'm just gonna go here. What the heck? That did not work out. Ah! Yo, what the heck? Bro, what the heck? What? Why is the machine not working? What's going on? The car's fine. The next car we're going to open is this 1967 Corvette Stingray, which I found at Nofrels. I just bought it a few months ago, so we are going to pop it open. Some of these cars are from a while ago, because, I never opened these cars for a while. I just kind of keep these. Ooh, this car's actually pretty nice. Put them on the rotator. Love a black. My dad actually picked this car, because he really likes the design of it. It's just like all white and has these black circles. And, yeah, I like the gray rims, too. It looks pretty cool. Can't wait to use it on the track. I hope it works. But yeah, let's put him on the track. Ah! Why did that one work? Ah! Bro! I'm just trying to get it to work. Bruh! Yes! First time it ever worked! Yes! Yo! This is the first time. It's the first time this thing has ever worked. Let's go. Yes. Let's freaking go. Finally it works. We have a problem. I broke the wheel. See, look, it's like turning like a little bit. It's okay. It's just a little Corvette. I don't really care. I'm just going to put it in a bin somewhere, but it's okay. Last car we got is this Subaru Wrx Sti. Nothing much to say. We're just gonna pop them open. It's better. Take more out. So yeah, let's take a look at this car on the wheel. This car has nothing much to see here. I really like the white design because it's there's also a yellow version of this one. But my dad also picked this one because he liked it too. But yeah, nothing much to say here. I like the design. I like the red color and also the black color. Nothing much. So now we are gonna race it. I hope this thing doesn't break. To crush the motorcycles. Why do you keep? Yeah. Oh, I don't get it. Something's wrong with my machine. It always keeps on flinging my cars. Oh my god, thank god this one didn't break. Only this one broke. Yeah, it's a pretty cool car. Put them on the road. But wait, let's turn them off. Wow, I don't know what's going on with this. Like, it looks like the Subaru. No, wait, hold on. So what I think happens that literally this Corvette, it literally went up and it crashed all the motorcycles here. It's like a bowling pin. But now we are gonna put all the cars on the rotator. Let's do that. Rest in peace, my friend. Just trying to. But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. go to my gaming channel in the link in the description. I also have an Instagram and also a TikTok, so make sure to check out my TikTok and my Instagram in the link in the description. And also my gaming channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and also follow my Instagram and also my TikTok, you know, because I just started TikTok. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye bye. Now we gotta clean all the extra garbage.